It's Darren with Smartsheet Guru. I want to show briefly how to use the substitute function in Smartsheet in a nested configuration. What this will do is take the raw phone number column, and you can see the raw phone number column has inconsistent data entry, where some phone numbers have dashes between them, some have spaces, some have a mix of no spaces and a dash, or parentheses around the area code, a dash and a space. And the phone number column will display the phone number as just numerical digits. So how is this done? The substitute function can be used to substitute dashes, spaces, parentheses with an empty string. And substitute functions can be nested. And how this works is you have the first substitute function, which looks at the raw number in the row. It looks for the dash and substitutes it with an empty string. And the second substitute function takes the result of the first substitute function, and that is used as the search text in the substitute function. And for the second one, the old text, we'll look for a space and then substitute it with an empty string. And then all the subsequent substitute functions use the previous result, and look for the next character. In this example, I chose the opening parentheses and then the closing parentheses. When doing this, it doesn't matter what order I would search for the different characters in for this example. I just chose to do dash, space, open, and closing parentheses. So this is how you can use substitute functions to clean up a string in a column in Smartsheet. And I hope this is useful. Thanks for watching.